What is up, guys? I hope you guys are having a great week. I am Lane Plummer. This is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee. It has many problems, but its biggest one is definitely right here. The lack of capability of pushing itself forward and backwards. But thankfully, the drive shafts are here. If nothing else, I'm super impressed with how fast these came in. I ordered on Tuesday and they came in on Friday. For being custom built, it is super impressive. Free shipping. I guess it was only one state over. But man, looks great. They are Adams drive shafts, 1310s, custom length, because we have axles that really aren't meant to be in this Jeep. And of course, to run 1310s on both sides of the drive shaft, you have to get new yokes. The process of ordering is super easy as well. All you have to do is take a measurement from the nut on the output of the transfer case to the nut on the, I suppose, input or the yoke of the axle. And that is exactly what we're gonna replace. You take the measurement, you give them a call, and they basically build them the next day, ship them out the day after that. All of the yokes are back installed. Front is 90 foot-pounds. Rear on the transfer case is 180. And front and rear axles are 200 foot-pounds. It definitely helps if you have an extra person to hold the brakes for you so you don't roll over yourself. Well, there's good news and bad news. The bad news is that there's no front drive shaft currently. And that is because with the new yoke, the measurement is way different than the old flange style yoke on the front, making it, I don't know, an inch and a half shorter, so the drive shaft won't even fit. Same with the rear, but the weird part is that the old front length is perfect for the rear. It's got 2 inch of that blue Teflon paint, and it's bolted in, so technically we can get this thing to move on its own weight. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to send both drive shafts back to get cut and re-welded, essentially. But that is a huge motivation to get this thing running, driving. The next big problem is that while it does technically steer, there's, I don't know, maybe 20 degrees of steering before the tire hits the body. So I'm thinking that's probably gonna be next, either that or we're gonna tackle some cooling issues. Basically, you guys saw how much it was spewing water, but I think I have a plan for that as well.
Dang, the Jeep is.
As it starts raining, that's gonna do it for, well, really the last 3 weeks. I appreciate you guys sticking around waiting for a video. I ended up having to send these back to Adams. They got them cut down, rebalanced, all that sort of stuff, and I'm got it back in. So it drives back and forth, which is pretty awesome. Makes me super excited to get this thing out of the garage once and for all. I've been working on a lot of stuff in the background as well. Stuff to make this thing actually drivable as opposed to just kind of driving back and forth like you saw earlier. I appreciate you guys hanging around. I'll see you on the next one.